Hi friends, I'm Mayuresh. So today's topic is Evolution X ROM on MI1 review. So let's see the about phone. As you can see, it is Evolution X ROM. The Android version is 9.0. The Android security patch is of 5 April. And the kernel is 4.9, that is Perfect plus kernel. Then let's see the customization. In system settings, you get gestures, that is 5 fingerprint for notification and swipe left right to dismiss notification. Then jump to camera and prevent drinking. Then here you also get the option of buttons, that is accidental touch, one hand mode, on screen navbar, backlit, home button and reset button customizations. But here you don't get the back button customizations. So some of the settings are in display settings, some of the customizations. You get double tap to wake, color theme, that is accent color, device theme and font. Main settings are Evolution X. See, you will get many customizations. In status bar, you get clock settings. In gesture, you get brightness control, status bar, double tap to sleep. Then icons, you get battery icon style, that is circle, dotted circle, etc. And battery percentage. Then traffic indicator, Bluetooth battery status, roaming indicator, 4G icon, volt icon. You can also see that volt is working, in fact dual volt is working. Then show data disabled icon, etc. Then in quick setting, you get quick setting style, then Bluetooth battery status, quick QoS pull down, then brightness slider on bottom, etc. Then themes, you get accent color, then rounded corners and quick setting customizations. Then in lock screen you get two options, that is interface and miscellaneous. In interface you get media cover art, lock screen visualizer, in show lock screen visualizer on ambient display, lock screen clock style and font options. In miscellaneous you get double tap to sleep, fingerprint authentication vibration and fingerprint unlock after reboot. Then volume steps, then playback control, volume rock or wake and volume key answer. In gestures you get ASP gestures, that is same that we saw in the system settings. Then 3 finger screenshot and navigation gesture. Notification settings. Then recent panel, you get recent style. Then power menu. See, when you on the power menu, see, you get the blur options and then power menu is up here. See, and it comes with the animation, it blurs the background. Then general tweaks, that is sensor blockage, wave lock blocker, alarm blocker, signature spoofing, wake up on charge, etc. So these are the customizations in this ROM. Battery life of this ROM is pretty good. I got around 5 hours of screen on time. This ROM is very smooth. I did not face any kind of bug. So what do you think? How was the video? Tell me in comment section. If you like the video, smash the like button and subscribe for more awesome video like this. So we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.
What just happened?